delete all transactions of a group on SettleUp. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all the transactions of a group in SettleUp account. To do so, first of all, open your SettleUp application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Now here, find the group from where you would like to delete all the transactions. Simply tap on the three horizontal bars at the top left corner of your screen, and from the sidebar, here tap on My Groups option. Once you tap on it, you will be able to see the groups in the list. Now from here, you will need to select the group from where you would like to delete all the transactions. Once you locate it, simply tap and hold the group until you reach to this page. Once you reach to this page, you will need to scroll down, and at the very bottom, you will be able to see Delete option. Simply tap on the Delete option and then a pop-up will appear. From here, you will need to select the option Delete All Transactions. And also, if you would like to delete a group, you can select Delete Group option from here. For now, I am deleting all the transactions of a particular group, so select Delete All Transactions. By doing so, now you will need to enter at least 5 characters from the group name to delete all the transactions. If your name of the group is less than 5 characters, then you can simply enter the name of your group. It is not necessary to have 5 characters as long as you add the name of the group. After that, tap on this Delete All Transaction button right here. By doing so, your transactions will be deleted from that particular group. Now after doing that, return back to the previous home page. Here you can refresh it, and then here you will be able to see all the transactions have been deleted. Once deleted, you'll also see the message indicating no transactions yet. So by following these steps, you should be able to delete all transactions from group in SettleUp account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.